Good morning. Let us continue our chapter. Minerals. We have discussed yesterday. We discussed about the petroleum. Let us talk. Let us see about the advantage and disadvantage of petroleum. Petroleum is a very good natural resource because the each and every drop of a petroleum is utilized. No leftover like ashes were leftover because of the petroleum. So it was of great importance of that. It can be extracted easily, very easily because of the modern machines and all technology. Very easily it is extracted from the earth surface, from the inside the earth surface. So it is very valuable. It having the high density. 1 kilogram high density means average 1 kilogram of burn oil can generate up to 10,000 kilocalories. You just example 1 kilogram gives the 10,000 kilocalories. So it gives the more value, caloric value. It can be extracted at a very low cost because once it was machines and all the technology was set up for the extraction of oil, the cost become lower. Once all the machineries and all the thing was set up, the cost of extraction reduces. So all these are the advantage of the petroleum. Now disadvantage of a petroleum, if you see, when the petroleum burns, though it does not give any ashes, does not give any smoke, but a very harmful gases comes out when it burns, and because of that, the greenhouse gas is effective. It is also the most of the air pollution occurs because of the burning of the petroleum. Secondly, secondly, it was in the very high demand. It was in the very high demand. Most of the automobiles, most of the vehicles, they need the petroleum, and because of this demand, the price of the petroleum is very high. It is also non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resource means when it was born, it totally finish up. It does not, we cannot use again and again this petroleum. If we are using the same way we are using, soon a stock of a petroleum is going to be finished. So it is non-renewable resource. That is a great disadvantage of petroleum. The depletion of fossil fuel leads to limited supply of the petroleum. It leads to increase the price. Also, it is a very costly because the stock was limited. So it is very costly. We can say it is a very costly. Now the next topic is a natural gas. Natural gas, most of the petroleum, wherever the petroleums are found, mainly this natural gas is also found in this region. The natural gas is mainly derived from the two reasons. Mainly the natural gas is a methane only used as a natural gas. The two reasons were there. The first one is a biogenetic mechanism, and second one is a thermogenetic gas. Biogenetic mechanism is a methane was also collected from the landfill. Landfill, the wherever the garbages were collected, mainly the organic garbages were collected, and when they decay, they decompose, they release the methane gas. So then this gas is collected and it is used for the generation of the electricity. Biogas, you all have knowing about the biogas. Biogas is a good example of a natural gas. And thermogenetic gas is mainly extracted from the inside the earth wherever the petroleum is found. This natural gas is also available in this region. Biogas distribution, if you see, most of the reason wherever the petroleum is found, the natural gas is also found. Like it comes from the Mumbai High, from the Assam, Tamil Nadu, Tripura and basins. Advantage, if you see, it is a renewable resource. It is a renewable, very easily, like as I told you, from the landfill, easily it is collected. So it is a renewable resource. It is also it is also safely stored. It can be collected and safely stored. It is also environmental friendly. It does not give any smoke or any harmful gases when it burns. The the LPG in the houses which you use, that is also that is a natural gas. Now LPG is also a natural gas only. It is much more cheaper than the other means of a power resources. Now disadvantage, when we talk about the disadvantage, like the other fossil fuel, natural gas still does create the greenhouse gas emission. When it burns, many gases Many gases comes from emitted by this, which is harmful, which creates the air pollution in the atmosphere. It cannot be used on the large scale. Large stores we cannot store in the large amount, so large production was not able. The natural gases are highly volatile and can be dangerous, mainly because if it was handled carelessness, the most of the incidents occur because of this gas. It is also colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. So it is it becomes a very dangerous for the handling of this gas. Now the problem of natural gas, lack of required compression and transport facilities and lack of technical help and operational safety. The natural gas is not much, the forms where the technique was not much developed in the India, so mostly the handling of the natural gas is a very problem. Handling means the transportation of natural gas very carefully we have to deal. We cannot store a large. So all these are the problem of the natural gases. Now next topic, hydropower. We'll see in the next session. Thank you very much.